Hey everyone, I'm Emmanuel from Kirobo. Today I'm going to show you how to stake with Kirobo. I'm going to start the video by doing you a favor and skipping the terrible joke about barbecue that someone put in the script. So in order to start staking, you first need a wallet that holds both Ether and Kiro. I'll be using a MetaMask wallet. If this is your first time, then the Kiro will not appear in your wallet, but please note this does not mean that you don't have Kiro, it just means that you can't see it. What we need to do is import the currency. It's very simple. Go to etherscan.com and search for Kiro. Copy the address. Return to MetaMask. Click on Add Token and then on Custom Token. Paste the address, then Next, then Add Token. So I have Ether and Kiro ready and visible in my wallet. The next step is to visit Uniswap. When you do this, make sure to go to version 2 and not 3. Search for the Kiro Ether pool in the search bar, and here you can see all the pool's data. I click on Add Liquidity. If you want to stake, you have to contribute to the pool. That means putting equal values of Kiro and Ether. The system makes it super easy for you. You just enter how much Ether or Kiro you want to stake, and it will automatically display how much of the second coin you need to put in. So here I've put 1 Ether, which comes to 7,853 Kiro. Here it also shows me what percentage of the pool my stake makes up. In this case, it's 0.24%. I click on Approve Kiro, then on Supply. As you can see, I've received 81 LP tokens, and then I confirm the transaction in my MetaMask wallet. Back in Etherscan, I can see that I have less money than I did before, but instead, I have 81 Uniswap V2 tokens. These represent the liquidity that I just added. Now, let's move on to the reason that we are all here, staking. First, I go to the Kirobo website. I click on Staking. I connect with my MetaMask wallet. As you can see here, the return I get for staking is 204% APY. As soon as I connect my wallet, my LP tokens appear. Now, I choose how many LP tokens I want to stake. For now, I'm going to put the maximum. I click on Approve Staking, I confirm this in my wallet, wait for it to be approved, and then I click Submit Staking. Once my stake is approved, I can go to Claim Rewards and see my status. As you can see, I'm going to get 306 Kiro every week. The more liquidity I add to the pool, the more profit I'll get for staking my tokens. Once my reward starts to appear, I can click on Claim Reward and collect my reward. And of course, at any time I can withdraw and take my LP tokens back, and as many as I want. And that's it.